if y'all never really fished out in the rain for catfish bait, I really don't think you can call yourself a fisherman. And yes, it is raining. It's been raining here for the last 3 days straight. But you cannot control Mother Nature. So you gotta make best with what you got. And right now, I have work off for the next day, and I'm making best of what I got. My knowledge of knowing how to catch some fish. At least I think I know how to catch some fish. Struggling trying to catch some of these bluegill, but you know, bluegill or bluegill. I like the word bluegill better. It just sounds more appropriate. So we'll just go with bluegill. So we're just trying to catch ourselves some gill out here for some catfish bait. And right here's one already. He's taking her down. He's taking the bobber. Oh, we left her go. No. See if we can get it to go back. Let's see if we can get it to come back. And that bobber is bright orange in the water. Wow. I don't think it was that bright. See if we can get this bluegill come back and hit it. Probably not. They are being very stubborn right now. Plus the sun's not out, so it makes it a little harder for them to see the bait. Let's go, Mr. Bluegill. I know you're biting again. Ooh. Missed him again. See if I can get him this time. He's gonna, yep, right in his face. All right there, it's a bluegill, guys. Perfect catfish bait. Oh, don't get all muddy, buddy. Don't get all muddy, buddy. Don't get all muddy, buddy. There you go. Perfect catfish bait. Perfect size, too. I like those hand-sized ones because they're so much easier to throw out on a hook. Instead of throwing your bait off, these like to stay on better than small.